I love how Noel turned the soft person every time he's with the boss. It makes him so much cuter than he is when he's acting like that when boss is around him. I can't imagine how I'm going to react when one day they will revert the love relationship, but somehow it sometimes makes hard to believe even though they will the one to announce. I am hoping that they will get out of their cocoon. This is a recent update from Mommy Twitter. They look so adorable in that boomerang clip. They were like teasing fans here with their sweetness and their foods. Not just Boss and Noel is being like that. Also Fort and Pete is being a lovey-dovey couple. They're adapting to what Boss and Noel's been doing together. They are so genuine.